Hi, Justin. Thank you for participating in our usability test with Philippine Airlines website. Your feedback is incredibly valuable as we strive to enhance the user experience. I'll be joining you through our session today, and we will be focusing on your experience with the website, exploring areas of ease, challenges, satisfaction, and potential improvements. So before we begin, let's start with a casual chat to get things rolling. So my first question would be, have you had any recent experience booking online?
Actually, yes. Just a few weeks ago, I have booked a flight to a specific place in the Philippines. This is in Cebu. So the
Mm-hmm.
transaction during booking was good. I haven't experienced any difficulty in navigating the website and or the
Mm-hmm.
online app thing. And yeah, it's it's a smooth transaction actually.
All right. So, with this, were there any specific features or aspects of the booking process that stood out to you?
Uh, the search and filter feature that is available in the website is I think the uh, interesting picture that I can feature that I have that stood up during booking. So it is useful in the website because it is efficient and effective in
Mm-hmm.
reducing the time looking for something that I'm not familiar within the website.
Oh, all right. So I think let's shift gears a bit and let's now talk with your experience with the website. So can you please discuss your interaction with the Philippine Airlines website? Did you feel that you needed to perform a lot of steps to complete each task? Or can you please describe any instances where you felt the process could have been more streamlined or required fewer interactions?
Mm, the website is as good as it is now. It
Mm-hmm.
requires enough information from the user, and all the important flight details are uh, introduced one by one, so it's not hard to navigate it. Like for example, the flight schedule. So it's the first that you will select, and then the name and personal information,
Mm-hmm.
and what else? Personal information of the booker and the seating arrangement. And then after you entered all those details, you will come up with the next web page, which is for the insurance. And yeah, that's
Mm-hmm.
an easy that's a smooth flow of transaction because you will not be confused on what will you will use or what you will select on a certain page.
All right. Um, you actually, the second question you actually answered the part of it already, but I'm gonna ask it anyway. So, how easy or difficult was it for you to navigate the website and find the information you needed?
The website is easy to navigate, as I mentioned earlier,
Mm-hmm.
and even an frequent flyer like me can access and book the flight with ease.
All right. So, can you describe any challenges you encountered while completing the tasks assigned to you?
I think one actually it's not a challenge or something, but it's a delay on my part.
Mm-hmm.
So when I tried to access the website, there's quite a long delay in loading the web page. So after
Mm-hmm.
you put your answer, uh, the web page will load so certain amount of time, and it's time consuming in my part.
All right. I'll take note on that. So, jumping to the next question, on a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the overall experience using the Philippine Airline website?
Mm. You can say if we scale the satisfaction from 1 to 10, and 10 being the highest, I can
Mm-hmm.
say that the website is an 8.
Quite
I'm satisfied.
positive, ah.
Yeah, I'm satisfied with the booking experience and transaction or service actually, but there is
Mm,
always a room for improvement for this.
yeah, for sure. So, based on your experience today, do you have any suggestions for how the Philippine Airlines website could be improved to better meet your needs?
I think I would like to recommend the addition of save or draft
Mm-hmm.
or at part function that we call it in online. So this feature is a really nice add up to the website, the app, because as you can see, if we are a working professional, we sometimes encounter difficulties
Yep.
uh, in any aspect. Something arrives and we can stop in booking. But if this save or draft function is available, we can add or we can save our transactions into draft, and we can go back to it without redoing any process.
Mm-hmm. All right. So, one final question for you. Would you consider using the Philippine Airlines website again in the future to book flights or manage your travel plans?
Yeah, yeah. I would always consider this Philippine airline website because uh
Mm,
it's not only providing us transaction.
all right. Encouraging to hear that. So, I think that would be all for now. Once again, thank you for your honest feedback and your participation in this usability test. So, of course, your inputs and insights will play an integral role in improving the website and ensure seamless experience for all users. So, if by any chance you have any further um, feedback, just please feel free to contact me. So, I think that's it. That would be all. Thank you for today, Justin. Have a good day.
All right, thank you.